Hi, welcome to the week one assignment for Promineo Tech's backend development program. So very first step of the assignment is telling us to access the BE Promineo Tech zip file and to download the file to the computer and to unzip it. So I've gone ahead and taken those steps and saved it to my desktop. So the very next step that I'm going to do is open command prompt, and I'm going to cd into OneDrive so that I can access my desktop, documents, etc. My machine is requiring me to go through OneDrive to access my desktop. So I'm going to cd into OneDrive, and then I'm going to cd into desktop, and I'm going to do a dir, and then we've got our Promineo Tech folder. So I'm going to cd into be-promineo-tech. I'm going to go into dir, and we have our week one directory here that we're going to cd into. And then we're going to do dir there. And so here we can see there are no folders or directories within the directory we cd into. So now I'm going to go ahead and create one, and I'm going to call it week one assignment. And we can dir there, and we can see that that's saved. So when we access that as well, we go to the desktop, the Promineo Tech, week one, we've got week one assignment there. Okay, so next step is to go to GitHub and to create a repository. So I've created one here called week one assignment. So I'm going to copy these prompts into command prompt. I'm going to git init to initialize the repository. Okay. And then I'm going to do git status. I can do git add period, add all files, git status. And here we see we have one new file that we can commit. So I'm going to do git commit -m, call it first commit. Okay. And then I'm going to git branch -m main. And I'm going to copy the remote information in. Git status. We're on the main branch, and I'm going to push our changes up. So we're going to do git push -u origin main. And there we go. So we have just pushed our changes. I'm going to just take a screenshot with our snipping tool. All right, and I'm going to refresh. And there you can see our README files there. Also have one here. So the next part of the assignment is also asking that we either change the code or add an additional file. So I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go new. I'm going to go to text document, and I'm going to call it my text file. Hello and welcome to my file. Save. And then back in command prompt, I'm just going to do git status again. And here we can see that our file is there. So if we want to add the file, do git add dot, and git status. We've got one new file to commit. We can go git commit. And we're getting this commit message for our changes. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick Google search to see how to resolve this message. Okay, so I'm gonna try to follow the steps here. All right, so I am going to try and follow these steps here. All right, let us see how we are going to save this. Okay, let us see if we are able to push this now. See? Okay, so I'm gonna do git push dash u origin main. And perfect, we were able to push our files. So I'm going to open the snipping tool again, get our screenshot. And what I'm gonna do is just paste our first one. So we have that. And then we will paste our second one as well. So I'm going to, here's our second one. Paste them both. Close this. And then I'm gonna go back to GitHub and make sure that my files appear. And perfect, we've got my text file there. And we also have it here. So we have completed the steps in the assignment, and that concludes our first assignment. Thank you so much for watching this video.